Hello students, I am Mrs. Sane. Welcome to the simple way of learning English. Students, we had started poem 2.2 Indian Weavers. In the last part, we had seen the icebreakers. Now let us see the poem in detail. You can see that there are 3 stanzas in this poem. Here, each stanza represents the stages of human life. These stages are childhood, youth, and old age or death. प्रत्येक कडव्यामध्ये मानवी जीवनाचा एक टप्पा हा सांगितलेला आहे किंवा त्या ठिकाणी दर्शवलेला आहे. जीवनाचे हे टप्पे कोणते आहेत तर बालपण, तरुणपण आणि मृत्यू. This poem has a pattern of question and answers. The poetess asks the questions to the weavers and the weavers answer them. Now students, we shall see the stanza-wise summary of this poem. See the first stanza. Weavers weaving at break of day. Why do you weave a garment so gay? Blue as the wings of a halcyon wild, we weave the robes of a newborn child. The poetess asks the weavers why they are weaving the clothes early in the morning, which are so beautiful and bright. The garments are blue in color, just like the bright color of the wings of halcyon, of the wings of kingfisher bird. Halcyon is the name of bird kingfisher. The weavers tell the poetess that they are weaving the garment of a newborn child. या कडव्यामध्ये विणकर हे सकाळच्या वेळेला नवजात बालकासाठी वस्त्र विणतायत. हे वस्त्र किंगफिशर या पक्षाच्या गडद निळ्या रंगाप्रमाणे या रंगाचं वस्त्र ते विणकर तयार करतायत. In this stanza, many images are used by the poetess. The images break of day, garments so gay, blue as the wings of halcyon. These images describe the first stage in the life of human beings, that is childhood. Childhood is the most attractive stage, full of beauty and happiness. इथे जीवनाचा पहिला टप्पा व्यक्त केलाय आणि तो म्हणजे आनंदी असणारं असं बालपण. Now see the second stanza. Weavers weaving at fall of night. Why do you weave a garment so bright? Like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green, we weave the marriage veils of a queen. The poetess again asks the weavers why they are weaving the bright, attractive garment at the fall of night, means in the evening. The garments are bright, like the plumes of the peacock. The color of garment is purple and green. The weavers reply, they answer that they are weaving a marriage veil of a queen. विणकर हे मोराच्या पंखाप्रमाणे जांभळ्या व हिरव्या रंगाचे वस्त्र विणतायत. हे संध्याकाळच्या वेळेला वस्त्र विणत आहेत. This stanza suggests the second stage of human life, and that is youth, तरुणपण. The expressions plumes of peacock, purple and green are used to describe this golden time of life. which is very enjoyable, very attractive. The colors purple and green symbolizes the sorrows as well as happiness, the ups and downs in the life at this stage. या कडव्यामध्ये जीवनाचा दुसरा टप्पा म्हणजेच तरुणपण हा दर्शवलेला आहे. अतिशय उत्साही, सुख दुःख हे समजूनही जीवनाचा आकर्षक असणारा हा काळ आहे. नाउ द लास्ट स्टांजा. Weavers weaving solam and steel. What do you weave in the moonlight chill? White as a feather and white as a cloud, we weave a dead man's funeral shroud. In this final stanza, the poetess asks the weavers what they are weaving in the dead of night. The night is chill, and weavers are serious, calm, and sorrowful. The garment they are weaving is white in color, just like the feather or a cloud. The weavers reply that they are weaving a funeral shroud, which means a white cloth which is put to cover the dead body. या कडव्यामध्ये विणकर हे पांढऱ्या रंगाचं वस्त्र विणतायत, जे मृत व्यक्तीच्या अंत्यविधीसाठी लागतं असं वस्त्र ते विणतायत. थंडगार रात्रीच्या वेळेला ते हे वस्त्र विणत आहेत. This last stanza clearly indicates the last stage in the life of human beings, that is death. The color white is used to symbolize the colorless, emotionless, and lifeless end of the life. So students, we have seen the stanza-wise summary of this poem. The difficult words in each stanza are given here. Rhyming words, rhyme scheme in each stanza, and the meaning of every stanza is also given in Marathi for you. Write down all these things in your English notebook. I hope nobody will have any difficulty to understand the poem. In the next video, we will see the appreciation of this poem and the figures of speech included in it. Thank you.